Learners, welcome to Cash Education. Today we will see how to draw a cylinder infographic. Obviously you can highlight hierarchy here. This infographic uses three things: numbers, logos as well as text. So let's see how to draw it. Go to insert, click on shapes and choose the cylinder. Draw the cylinder without holding the shift key. Remove the shape outline. Again go to insert and choose the circle shape. Without holding the shift key, draw the circle and remove the shape outline. Adjust the circle to the top part of the cylinder. You can group them together by pressing Ctrl G, but don't union them in merge shapes. Duplicate the cylinder by pressing Ctrl D and reduce its size by pressing Ctrl and shift key together. Repeat the same action and stack each cylinders onto other. Remember, you have to press Ctrl and Shift key and then drag the cylinder to reduce the size. So now all four cylinders are ready. You can ungroup them and start giving them the colors. So I will choose only the cylinders. Right click, go to Format Objects and give them a down shadow. I'm going to adjust the shadow transparency, the blurring effect and size. And now I will color each of the cylinders. I will choose a light color for the cylinder, and the top circle that we had put, I'm going to use a dark color for it. So the light cylinders are complete. Now I'm going to put their top circle or the lids of the cylinder, each having the dark shade of the color used. So now our basic cylinders are ready. I'll go to insert under shapes and select the arrow. Again draw the arrow without holding the shift key. Adjust its size, remove the outline and start aligning it to each of the cylinders. Right click, send it to back. So I'm going to put the first arrow here and the last arrow. So the arrows for yellow and blue are going to face left and for red and green are going to face right. I'm going to select them and duplicate them and flip them. I'm going to again adjust their sizes and send them to back. So now I'm satisfied with this. I'm going to color and give them the shadow. So I go to shadow options and choose an upward shadow. I will adjust all the menus here. And now I will begin coloring them. I'm going to use the same color, light color for the arrow, and I'm going to use the dark color as the outline of the arrow. Now I'm going to select that arrow, click on Format Painter and choose the next arrow. I'm going to repeat the same action to apply the same effect. Now all I have to do is apply the colors to different arrows of the different cylinder. Our cylinders are having a downward shadow, our arrows are having an upward shadow. Just remember that. So we have colored all our objects. Now we are going to go to insert and draw the text boxes. I will draw a rectangle. I will type title or whatever your title is. I'm going to select it. I'm going to select the arrow, go to home, click on Format Painter and then click on my rectangle. So the same effect will be copied on the rectangle. I'm going to duplicate this rectangle by pressing Ctrl D and align it towards each arrow. Now I'm going to give the same color to the rectangles as that of the arrow using the Format Painter tool. I will slightly adjust the text of all the rectangles make the text a little loose and number it. Now I will number them. So I have my numbers ready for the cylinders. I will align it to the center of each cylinder and just adjust them to align them together on the cylinder. I have my logos ready. I'm going to copy them and paste them. I will change the color of the logos to white. These are editable logos that you can find. So here I'm trying to show an organization, and for this, the title description, I have used the Lorem Ipsum font. This is simply for you to understand how it is going to appear. I am going to duplicate and start pasting them below each title. So now you see our infographic is ready. I am going to group them together and just shift it so you can see how it is. The last thing remains is my title and the subtitle. So now you see we have obtained our cylinder infographic, a very simple one. Do give it a try. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel. See you again next time. Thank you. Learners, welcome to